Hello, my friends. Okay, today we are going to continue talking about our numbers and our tricky teens and counting the tens way, my friends. So before we do that, we are talking about splitting up numbers into two different parts. So what do I mean by that? What does that mean, splitting up a number into two different parts? What if my number was 2? How could I split that up? I have 2. How could I split these up? I have 2 and no more. I still have 2. How can I make this different and still have 2 left?
Make it into a 3.
Then I would have more than 2. Can I split this 2 up?
Yes.
I have 2 blocks right here. Can I split these apart?
Yes.
Okay, let's try. Now how many do I have?
2.
Do I have 2 or 1 and
2.
do I have 2 or do I have 2 ones?
2 1.
I have 2 ones. So that's what I mean when I say split apart a number, my friends. So I had 2 blocks, right? And 0 blocks, there's none. And do I still have 2 blocks over here?
Yes.
I didn't add anything or take anything away. I have 2 blocks. I didn't add anything. I still have 2 blocks. What if I split that number apart? How many blocks do I have in this hand?
1.
1. I'm going to add the other block. How many is this?
2. 1.
It's 1. How many blocks do I have all together?
2.
2. So that is what I mean when we're splitting apart a number, my friends. Let's do another one. Let's get some blocks again because this will make it a little bit easier. My friends at home, if you have 7 cubes, go ahead and get them together. 7 little, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I need one more. Okay, how many did I say I was going to get together? 7. So here's the 7 up here. I want to split this 7 up into 2 different numbers. Here, I'm going to put 1 in a box over here and 1 in a box over here. Okay, I'm going to ask somebody to come help me.
Me.
Let's see here. Ava, come up here and split this up. Doesn't matter how you do it, just split it into 2 different pieces. Just 2 pieces, not a bunch of pieces, just 2. Okay, how many do I have in this side, Ava?
2.
All right, let's put that in this box over here. Count up how many do I have in that side?
5.
5. Do you think we could add these together?
Yes.
How many do you think we will have when we add them back together?
7.
How'd you know that so
7.
fast? Thank you, Ava. How did you know that so fast, Jazzy? We put them back together and we have 7. We didn't do anything. We just split these 2 numbers apart. Do you think we could do it a different way? 2 and 5 is 7. Jason, come up here and split this apart in a different way for me. She already did 2 and 5. Can you figure out a different way to break it apart? Okay. Which ones, how many is in this side?
3.
3. So what should I put in this box right here?
3.
3. I'm going to add some more. How many more do I have?
4.
4. I'm going to put that. Whoever's rolling their pencil, please put it away. How many is 3 and 4, Jason? Count it up. How many is 3 and 4 more?
7.
Is 3 and 4 7 too?
Yes.
So 2 and 5 was 7. 3 and 4 is 7. Do you think we could do this another way? Who thinks we could do it another way?
Me.
Reagan, come on up and split this apart. Thank you, Jason. All right, Reagan, come split this up for me a different way. We already split it into 2 and 5 and 3 and 4. How else could we break that number apart? We We already have a 2 and a 5. Can you do it a different way? Hurry. How many is in that side?
3.
Oh, we already have a 3. Put it back together. See if there's one more way you can think of to split this number apart. I think she can do it. Yes. How many does she have? Oh, turn around and show your friends. So she split it into 2 parts. Hold one part up. How many is in the first part?
1.
So what am I going to put in this first box?
1.
1. How many am I going to add to that 1? What's in the other part? I have 2 parts. When I put them together, what's my number? 7. So 1 plus how many more is 7, Reagan? You have 1 over here. How many do you have on the other side?
6.
6. Is 1 and 6 more equal 7?
Yes.
Oh my goodness. So that is what we are doing, my friends. We're just taking a number and we're splitting it apart and seeing what we can do. 2 and 5 is 7. 3 and 4 is 7. 1 and 6 is 7. There's 1 more. I'm going to show you what it is. All right. Oh, thank you, Reagan. Okay, I'm going to put this together. Thank you. You can go sit down. Okay. There's 1 more that we can do. Okay. I ripped it apart. How many do I have in this hand?
0.
0. What do I put in the box?
None.
0. How many is in the other part?
7.
7. 0 and 7 equals
7.
7. Look at how many ways we could split this one number up into 2 parts. Part, part, whole. Part, part, whole. Part, part, whole, my friends. So what is the part for this one? The first part is,
2.
the second part is,
5.
it equals the whole.
7.
The first part
3.
and the second part
4.
equals
7.
the first part,
1.
second part
6.
equals.
7.
Oh, you guys are doing rocking at this. Okay, everybody, come on over to the carpet
What's our
and make a circle. Make a circle up so that we can see the middle of our circle. Okay. So on Friday, we were doing that with teen numbers, weren't we, my friends? So if I had a teen number up here, and my teen number was this. What teen number is that?
13.
13. We want to do the same thing. We want a part, and a whole. This is our whole. It's 13. How can we split this into 2 parts? We could do it a lot of different ways, just like we did with 7. But we are practicing splitting the 10 apart. So let's try it and see if we can do this, my friends. All right, let's see. Who thinks they can split this apart counting the tens way?
Me.
Let's split 13 into 2 different parts. What's the first
Me.
part going to be?
1.
1.
10.
10. What's the second part going to be?
3.
Let's figure it out. Who has not helped yet?
Me.
Jazzy, split it up into 10 pieces first. Remember, it has to stay a whole. It has to stay together, my girl. You can't split it up into pieces. It's got to be 2 parts. The first part is 10, and the second part is, I'm not sure. We got to figure that out. So help her out, my friends. How can she do 2 different parts here? The first one is 10. Let's help her out. So what are we going to do first? What are you going to do first? Count 2.
1, 2,
Keep going.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Oh, you got to 10. Stop there. Now break it apart right where the 10 is. So if you've got 10, my friends, add 3 more and break it apart right where the 10 is. All right. Let's see. Daniel, make sure she's right. Count that up and see how many there are.
1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
So the first part had how many blocks in it?
10.
10 blocks. Jason, count the second part for us. How many blocks did that have in it?
3.
So let's all say this the tens way. Let's say 10 and 3 equals.
13.
So let's all say it together. Ready? 10 and 3 equals.
13.
Okay, I'm going to add a couple and put those blocks back together. Okay, this time I'm not going to tell you what number it is. I'm not going to tell you. Okay. Yep, we got to put them all back on here. My friends at home, add 2 more blocks. Okay, friends. Ava, what does the first part have to be when we're doing teen numbers?
10.
Okay, let's see if she can do it. So I've got another number up here. I don't know what it is yet, so I'm going to erase this. We're going to leave the boxes. We don't know what number we're working with. Okay, Reagan, check her work. See if she counted out 10.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Are there 10? How many should go in the first part, my friends?
10.
10. Okay, Ava, give that to Mr. Daniel. Daniel, count what is in the second part.
11, 12, 13, 14, 15.
Oh, he did something special. He counted on, my friends. Very smart. How many do you have in your hand first? How many is just in your hand?
0.
Oh, just the blocks in your hand. Count those up. You jumped 1 step ahead of us. Don't count that way. Just count how many blocks there are. How many pink and red blocks do you have? Start from 1.
5.
5. Okay, so one part had 10. The other part had 5. If we were to put these 2 parts together, 10, let's everybody say it together. 10 and 5 is,
15.
put them together and count it up together, my friends, and see if we were right. All right, Daniel, put that with the big stick and let's all count it together. Stick it together. Let's all count together. Ready? That's good. 1, 2,
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15.
15! It worked! Oh my goodness! So we are doing part, whole, my friends, and we are going to keep practicing that with our teen numbers. Okay, let's see if we can guess this next one, my friends. Everybody go ahead and give me the blocks. Great job with the blocks. I'll take those. Thank you. Okay, I'm going to put a number up here and see if you guys can figure this one out without the blocks. What number is this?
18.
18. What should the first part be?
10.
What should the second part be?
8.
Oh, you guys have got this. So let's read it together. Ready? 10 and 8 is
18.
18. If we were to add these up, do you think it would be 18?
Yes.
Yes, me too. Okay, let's try one more. You guys are really getting this. Okay. Oh, I'm going to give you a challenge on this one. This is the challenge.
Are we gonna have recess after this?
Nope.
20.
What's the first part?
10.
What's the second part?
2.
Let's try that. 10 and 2. Let's do that. 10, 11, 12. That didn't work. What do we need to put over here? If 10 and 8 is 18, and 10 and 9 is 19, 10 and 5 was 15. Let's try this one.
10 and
Hold on. We're going to get there. 19 looks like this, right, my friends? 10, and how many more is 19?
9.
9. Now look at these really, really close. How many more to get to 20? 19.
20.
How many more did I need?
1 more.
Just one more. How many more should I add over here?
1.
What's 9 and 1 more?
18.
9 and 1 more?
10.
Now, this one's tricky. This one was the challenge, my friends. So yes, 2 10s is what again?
20.
Yes. So if we were going to split that 20 into 2 parts, it would be 2 different 10s. 10, 20,
30.
right? So if this is 20, how many 10s do I need?
2.
2. That's the challenge, my friends. That one is the challenge. Okay, so today we are going to continue working on our counting the 10s way. Okay, I want you to find the picture that has 10 and 1 more and draw a line, just like you did last week. On the back side, I want you to write and whisper the missing numbers. 10 and 1 is 11. 10 and 2 is
12.
10 and 3 is
13.
10 and 4 is
15.
4. 10 and 4.
4.
14. 10 and 5 is
15.
10 and 6.
6.
10 and 7. 10 and 8.
18.
18. 10 and 9.
19.
19. It goes right in a row. So it wants you to fill those in and write the number. If you need any help, my friends, please call me. You will have a homework page as well. The homeworks, my friends, you are going to fill in the 10. In the middle, it gives you the answer. And on the side, you want to fill in the 10 and 3 is what? 10 and 4 is what? Okay. Thank you, my friends. We'll see you next time.